Orientation week at IIT Patna kicked off with something truly exciting, a welcome kit packed with surprises. In this episode of Sayak's Tech Diary, I'll show you exactly what's inside and why it matters for every fresher. And don't worry, everything that was discussed in orientation, that's coming up in the next episode. Let's dive into the box first.
So hey guys, first of all, as you can see, this is a premium diary, which is clearly mentioned. It's like Indian Institute of Technology Patna. A small diary, a single ruled copy, just you can see it. I hope it is visible right now. So that's one part of the story. Next is that we got a brand new IIT jersey, or kit, what we are going to wear this on the campus immersion. So yep, it's 44. I hope it's perfectly fits on me. The next thing we got is pretty surprising. It's a temperature controlled and a water bottle, still water bottle. And here you can see it's an IIT Patna tag is there. And one of the best things I've seen in my life. I hope, just a second. Can you see the temperature, guys? Just by putting the thumb, you can see the temperature. It's quite cute, right? It's 32. I've just checked out on my mobile as well. And this is my ID. Again, I'm not showing the other part of it. The reason is because I don't want to share the public info. So that's it. That's all about the welcome kit. Thank you.
And that wraps up the unboxing of the incredible IIT Patna welcome kit. From daily essentials to surprises I never expected, it truly made me feel part of something special. But guess what? This is just the beginning. In the next episode, I'll be diving into everything that happened during the orientation, from academics to student life to hidden gems that every fresher should know. Make sure to check the description box. I've added links to all the previous episodes. Episode 1, my intro plus what I'll be pursuing at IIT Patna. Episode 2, path towards IIT. Episode 3, my first day at IIT Patna plus mini campus tour. Watch those if you haven't already to get the full experience of this journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sayak's Tech Diary because the best is yet to come. See you in episode 5.